Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you another function block of the Utils library, which is the linear transformation function block. So let's start by adding a new network. Then go to the toolbox and drag a box to our new network. Then name this block lintrafo. Okay. Now what this function block does is convert one scale to another scale. So here we have one input, which is the of type real. We have here the minimum input, maximum input, minimum output, and maximum output. So let's configure our input variable. Let's say it's an analog input. So analog input 0. And here I'll assign some constants. So let's say my analog input goes from 0 to 30,000. And I want to display this value in my controller as percentage. So I'll use for the minimum output the value 0, and for the maximum output the value 100. This output here I'll leave it blank, and there we go. We can finally test it by pressing the login button. Let's run the controller. Now, if I assign the value, for example, 15,000 to our variable, which is half of the maximum value, we are gonna get 50, which is half of 30,000. And if I were to use 7,500, which is 25%, then it would output 25%. And of course, this is just a demonstration, but you can use any scale you want here, either in the input or the output. And that's how you use the linear transformation function block in Master Tool, and I see you on the next video.